Alright, we got them unboxed. We left the promos in there. We'll sleeve all those up later. So we ended up with 8 Surging Sparks packs and 8 Twilight Masquerade, and we're going to rip through the Masquerade first. Let's move them over here, just make them easy. These boxes, well, for the entire order, for the two packs, cost, I think they were $49.99 on Walmart, or Target's restock. Alright. Slugma, Tadbold, Applin, Swirlix, Festival Grounds, Glamora, Poliwrath, Rillaboom, Skarmory, and an Iron Leaves. Code card for y'all. Chimchar, Whirlipede, Crawdaunt, Farfetch'd, Snorlax, Morpeko, Carmine, a Leafeon, a Snorunt, and a Sinistcha. Ducklet, Emolga, Growlithe, Monferno, Melodic, Ariados, Kieran, Spinarak, a Vulpix, and a Munkidori. So far, nothing. Alright. Abra, Skarmory, Applin, Snorunt, Aggron, Cook, Clefable, Shinx, Phoebus, and Iron Leaves again. Alright, 4 packs of Twilight remaining. I didn't open much of this when it released, as the hit rate's a little bit harder in this. Heliosk, Ducklet. Oop, we got one behind her. Emolga, Growlithe, Probopass, Heracross, Love Ball, Ogre's Mask, Growlithe again, and Frostlass. Grookey, Finizen, Wattrel, Glimmet, Heracross, Love Ball, Glamora, Thwackey, Poliwag, and an Ogerpon EX. We'll sleeve that up real quick. Let's grab one of these. Alright, 2 packs left. Varoom, Wattrel again, Volbeat, Goldeen, Ogre's Mask, Probopass, Heracross, Farfetch'd. We're pulling too many cards at one time. Litwick, and a Greninja EX. We'll get that one sleeved up. Alright, last Twilight pack. That one open funky. Wattrel. Glimmet. Thwacky. Heliosk. Piles toppling down here. Poliwrath. Hassel. Brute Bonnet. Pinsir. Tinglu. And an Arcanine. So Twilight was not very great to us today. Let's jump into the surging. Alright, Glimmet, Togetic, Sizzlipede, Bronzor, Walrein, Magnezone, Goldingo, Shiinotic, Lycia's Appeal, and a Qingpao. Sigilyph, Duraludon, Sizzlipede, Yamask, Quackable, Deduction Kit, Cerulege, Slackoth, Centiskorch, and a Slacking EX. Sizzlipede, Bronzor, Applin, Duraludon, Meowstic, Poshberry, Bibalon, Togepi. Ooh. And we got the Terrapagos, and here's code card, and we got the Pikachu EX. It's a pretty card. That's really cool. Alright. We are not complaining about that one. I don't really get many of my cards graded, but just looking at it, centering would be off a little bit. So not going to be a 10, but it's still a really nice card. I'll throw that one in there. Alright, we have 5 more packs. See if we get anything else. Quaxley, Zangoose. Some of them don't like to separate. Oricorio, Scatterbug, Clamont's Quickwit, Kilowattrel, Chill Teaser Toy, Shellos, Surfer, and a Landorus. Swablu, Rotom, Vibrava, Klefki, Berry, Executor, Iron Bundle, Spheal, Fuecoco, and a Sylveon EX. And then you got your code card. I'm pretty happy with the Surging Sparks pulls. Definitely treating us a little bit better than the Twilight did. 3 more packs. Charcadet, Smoochum, Skarmory, Tandemos, Fluttermane, Bruxish, Meddling Memo, Flittle, Applin, and a Cofagrigus. 2 more packs. Vibrava, Klefki, Fuecoco, Lamora, Armorage, Rogue, I guess, maybe. Pasha Berry, Azumarill. We got one stuck on it. There we go. Quackabole, Excadrill. Oh, nice. Full Art Trainer. A Drayton. There's the code card for y'all. We'll get this one sleeved up. So Surging Sparks, I would definitely say takes this one. Centering looks pretty good on this one. Might be a little top heavy on the back. We got one more pack. Magnemite, Slackoth, Oricorio, Bronzor, Turtonator, Countergain, Altaria, Iron Bundle, Ninetales, and a Palkia. That's what we're finishing on. Well, thanks for checking in today. Like I said, we have more stuff coming. It'll just be delivered throughout the week. We'll upload as soon as we get it. See you on the next one.